In today's healthcare environment, everyone is forced to do more with less resources. And when it comes to your histology lab, it's no different. From the lab personnel to management, quality and cost are always a concern. Downtime and unmaintained equipment cost both time and money. Did you know that lack of preventative maintenance is the single leading cause of instrument failure? Medical Equipment Source alleviates the worry of equipment downtime and failure and allows the customer to do what they do best. How do we do it? We provide customized preventative maintenance plans tailored to your specific histology lab and equipment. Our years of experience remanufacturing equipment gives us the technical expertise to provide quick diagnostics and solutions on all OEM brands within your lab, saving you money. If there are equipment issues, our team is ready at a moment's notice to get you up and running quickly. As your equipment ages, we can provide you with cost-effective replacement options. Every step in our process is designed to maximize the efficiency of your lab equipment while minimizing downtime and lowering costs. When you partner with Medical Equipment Source, you'll have the assurance that you and your lab always come first. Click here to start the conversation with one of our customer service representatives.